This video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site News-murumo.cc. This is truly a deceptive site which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help people confirm that they're humans and not robots. Clicking on allow is strongly not recommended. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked and infected with a lot of advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of your screen. To deactivate them, access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and Notifications. Now you need to research the sites allowed to send notifications. So when you find this News-murumo, be sure to remove it from the list and also delete other junk sites from the list. Finally, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.